So edge compute has become a massive topic, especially in autonomous vehicles, robotics, IoT. Peplink has been building and increasing our edge compute capabilities for the past almost 3 years now, but really the last 2 years have been just evolutionary changes in Peplink's ecosystem around edge compute. Join us for our Edge Compute Lab hosted by Matthew Mackey and Ricardas from West Networks. And we're going to be deploying Docker and KVM virtualization. We're actually going to teach you how to build a Docker image, post that to the Docker hub, and push it to your Peplink router. So not only are we building our own library of tools that you'll be able to use, and we're going to teach you how to do that, but also we're going to teach you how to build your own toolkit and push it to the Peplink routers. So join us for the Edge Compute Lab this November at the 4th Annual Peplink Summit.